So, good morning everyone, especially to our teacher, Sir Glenn Manolong. I am the reporter 7 of Group 3. So, my topic all about enhancing language skill through digital storytelling. One of the most exciting ICT-based language tasks that can be done to develop all of the four macro skills to create digital stories. This language task meets the demand of today's learning, living a rapidly changing world with opportunities and challenges that are different from to once many of the previous generation grew up with. Today's learning are more demanding and are willing to discover new ways to apply, extend, and expand on existing knowledge by Kaminsky and Kinsorian. So, kabalo naman tatanano nga karon nga generation high-tech na kayo. So, ang mga student kuan na sila kanang ang ilang mind ba kay gusto mo discover. So, as a teacher, we need to more to get more engaging activity in connecting digital storytelling kay dapat as a teacher mo kuan jud ta kanang mo konekta kung unsa ang mga trends kay para sa ang atong mga learners dili ta mo left behind gani nila kay ang atong mga learners karon kay nagkuana kanang laban-laban na anay cellphone. So dapat kita sad mo connect sad ta sa mga kanang digital tools nga nga makatabang nato sa pagtudlo nila. Then responding to these challenges, language classroom facilitator need to migrate to a more flexible and modernized delivery of us language curriculum. So sa akong giingon kinahanglan we need to being flexible no kay even ang mga bata ron kay kuana kanang abtik na or kanang na laban na ang mga bata ron kay connected na sa social media. So doing so leads to language competence of today's learning will be able to develop beyond the use of aid of traditional writing tools. Contemporary language learning needs to create a new culture of teaching and learning that focuses on how to develop the ability of the student to listen, speak, reading, and writing of digital age. So, we need to being flexible teacher. Kanang kung unsa ang generation sa mga bata ron kinahanglan mo kuanta mo engage mo kanang kita nga teacher kanang ato nang i-adapt ba para ang atong learning nga ihatag sa mga bata kanang ilang masabtan or kanang dili po sila maboring ba para makuha nimo ang ilang intention. Then in the language education storytelling in a common requirement that aims to share one's stories, culture, knowledge, values, language, and others. Storytelling is not something new because it's been one of the oldest activity not only inside the classroom but even in the communities. Storytelling has been considered to have a great contribute to literacy development by improving learners' language, writing, reading, and listening skill. At present storytelling, it's not just done face-to-face through the aid of traditional technologies that can already be done digital. Hence, the word digital storytelling. So, when we say digital storytelling, kanang example, dili lang sa imong classroom magamit ka og like dili na same sa una nga og mag-story ang teacher, magdala og katong libro. So dito sa magbasa. So karon sa ani sa akong reporter, so sa 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 digital storytelling, so pwede na ka mo gamit og TV nga kanang i-present na nimo dira ang story nga sa din ang imo mga bata mas mukuan gani, mas maminaw sila kay sa karon nga time good, mas ang mga bata buringan na sila sa old nga kuan, sa katong traditional pa. So muna nga sa aton generation ron nga nag-improve, kinahanglan as a teacher mo sabay kita. Then dili lang pod sa face to face nga klase nga imo magamit. So makatabang po ka sa mga learners, especially sa kanang wala nag-atog eskwelahan pero may cellphone. So among of these authors nga nag-discuss sila og na sulat sa ilang research nga about sa digital storytelling, it is all focus nga kini jud kunong kining digital storytelling is dako kay tabang sa mga estudyante, sa mga learners nga sa diin ma-develop ang ilang understanding sa ilang individual experiences and perception sa real world among learners. So mo ni sila ang mga researcher. So as an innovative and interactive approach to language skill acquisition, storytelling is seen as a very responsive variation of traditional methods because it's bring more meaningful and essential learners engaging into language skill acquisition process. So mas makahatag ka og more innovative and interactive aning digital storytelling kay daghan na maron ang mga apps tool nga imong magamit nga sa diin ang imong himon nga storytelling mas more engaging. So in overall of my topic about enhancing language skill and through storytelling, storytelling is a powerful and engaging method to improve language skill gina sa mga student, ilabi na sa kanang mga elementary grades. When learner listen to tell or create stories, they naturally develop their vocabulary, grammar and pronunciation, and also the comprehension in context. Also encourage their creativity, critical thinking, and emotional expression, making language learning more meaningful and enjoyable. So that's all. Thank you.